Now theorem 10.8. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So there is a circle. This is the circle. The angle subtended by an arc. Let us consider this is an arc AB. AB is an arc. Angle subtended by an arc at the center, and at center is the angle formed. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. And from this arc, if you draw one angle with the remaining part of the circle, then this angle is half of this. Because this is O, then this is C. So the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at the circle or remaining part of the circle. So this is double of this. If it is x, this is half of x. So angle at center is double of angle at the circumference. Let O be the center of a circle. AC be an arc. Angle AOB is the angle at the center. So AOB is the angle at the center, and angle ACB is the angle at the circumference, means remaining part of the circle, at angle at the remaining part of the circle. So this is at the remaining part of the circle. To prove angle ACB equal to twice of angle AOB. Angle AOB equal to twice of angle ACB. AOB equal to twice of ACB, or you can say ACB equal to half of angle AOB. Same. After this construction, CO is joined and then produce to D. CO is joined and produce to D. This CO is joined then produced to D. It may be on the circle, exterior of the circle, inside of the circle, no problem, just it is produced. After this, proof. In triangle AOC, in this triangle AOC, OA equal to OC, radi of the same circle. These two are equal, then therefore angle OAC equal to angle OCA. These two sides equal, so these two angles are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two angles are equal. After this, angle in triangle AOC, CO is produced to D. CO is produced to D such that angle AOD is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. Therefore, angle AOD equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA. So this is an exterior angle. So this angle equal to this plus this. Sum of opposite interior angles equal to exterior angle. By exterior angle property of triangle. By exterior angle property of triangle. By exterior angle property of triangle. After this, angle AOD equal to, we are converting this into this. That's why as they are equal, instead of this we are going to write this. So angle OAC, instead of this we will write OCA. Angle OCA plus angle OCA using 1. We use 1. So equal to twice of angle OCA. This is number 2. So this angle equal to twice of this. After this, similarly we can prove that angle BOD equal to twice of angle. This is BOD equal to twice of angle BCO or OCB. So angle OCB. This is number 3. Adding 2 and 3, we get, if you add 2 and 3, then this plus this. So we will write here angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to twice of angle OCA plus twice of angle OCB. After this, AOD plus BOD. AOD, BOD together give us this whole angle AOB. So angle AOB equal to 2 is common. Then angle OCA plus angle OCB equal to twice of angle OCA OCB give us angle ACB. Therefore angle AOB equal to twice of angle ACB proved. So this is the proof. When we practice this, if any problem, ask me. And this is for today's class. Thank you.